Hello again, folks. Well, today I did have a loser, and I thought I'd show you how I traded it. And the other thing is, I've put the three of the what I have used in the past indicators, non-repainting, and in my opinion, very good. We don't need to worry about the RSI. I should have taken that off, but in fact, yeah, let's just do that with that, and bring this up a little bit. So you've got the CCI. It's called if you Google CCI NUF, NUF, and that'll bring your CCI up. It's set to 20, but play around with the settings. It's really quite interesting. These darker colours, the blue and the green and the pale orange, if you like, or peach, and the red are settings you can put on it, so you can set it to change colour at various levels. The MACD, I think it's the MACD Osma. I'm not sure what the O stands for, maybe oversold or something like that. It comes with a couple of lines, squiggly lines that cross over on it, MAs I think. I delete those or just put the colours to none, because all I'm interested in the change of colour on the oscillator, or the histogram there rather. So if we look at these, don't worry too much about this. This was a trade I took long. It went a couple of pips into profit. Didn't get my 5 pips, and as you can see, I've taken it, preempted the box because of this trend here: low, high, higher, low, higher, high, and I just thought I'd get my 5 pips early. As it was, I should have stuck with the box breakout and got somewhere down here. There was news today at 9:30, and we'll talk about that in a moment down here, but basically I've done exactly what I said on the previous stop loss videos. It didn't do my thing. It didn't burst up as fast as I thought it would, so I closed it manually for about 6 or 7 pips, I think, if memory serves, and then immediately opened another short trade and doubled the size of it, and I got my money back. Didn't make any money because I took about 3 pips out of that short trade. Then I could see that I'd got a proper signal on my indicators here, and jumped in based on the candlestick actually. I could see it was going down, so I jumped in again, and I thought it was going to go down quite fast. It didn't. It took about 15 minutes to hit my take profit. That was really because there was news going on over here 9:30, and I should have really just hung on, but I didn't know whether I wanted to trade around the news time. I like to be all done and dusted, as you know, by 9 o'clock, and we were well past 9 o'clock when this one closed out. But I'd got my in fact this was about 6 pips, this one, and then so I was back to a normal day's profit. That's my day's work done, as it were. And then I just sat around and waited for the news, and closely watching the indicator, and as you can see in this instance, the MACD, in fact, I would say is the most reliable indicator. It had gone below 0 and turned red at exactly the point I wanted to get in. So had my indicator, which is all good. This candle here was clear. In fact, this candle was the best breakthrough, because we'd broken through two candles. In other words, broken a trend: high, low, low, high rather, high, low, high, high, and then we'd gone high, low, lower, high, lower, low, and that would have been the entry. But I thought I'd wait until this was clearly broken through, and in fact then the box as well. So got in that one, and it flew. It was about 9 pips out of that trade. No, 8 pips, because I saw it go to about 12 and then it pulled back quickly. But 1 minute's worth of work there, or less. And then the following trade, again, all the indicators lined up. You can see this bar is slightly larger on the CCI. Mine, this is where I actually started to, I was aware that other indicators would get me in the trade quicker, which was why I found these ones. And as I say, I'm stubborn. I've paid for this one, but in fact, these are probably better. But I find too many indicators on the charts confuse things. So look these two up, guys, and choose either one or use both of them if that's right. You're not losing anything by not having this thing here, so don't worry about that. I 100% am happy. If I didn't have this, I would be just as happy with these two. But as I say, I've had this for 15 years now, so I know it's reliable, but I rely more on my candlestick analysis. And this is news time, remember, so it's time of day, and that's why I got into this second trade, because I was watching this pullback. I was watching, as luck would have it, these indicators on here as well. So rather than wait for this to turn red, I managed to get in as a result of I did wait a little while, as you can see, but the price moved so quickly, as you can see, also because of the news. But these pullbacks in high volatile moments are priceless, because the price is going to go, because everyone and their brother is watching the price at this time of day because of the news. All the big traders, I mean by that. So trust your indicators, guys. That's why I like them so much. Or once you've got the knowledge of the candlesticks, trust those as well, so it's either or. I mean, big engulfing candle after a pullback at the busiest time of day, it's a no-brainer really, guys. So really successful morning. Even with a loss, you learn to trade out of the losses. So again, it's all about screen time and practice. And I realise you guys can't get the if you're not working full time at this, you will struggle to get the screen time, and that's why I put that FX Blue trade simulator up there, because in my opinion that is priceless. You could watch and replay this in slow time, fast time, whatever you like, all day long, and you can do it time and time again, and for every London and Frankfurt breakout. Do it, guys, because I promise you it is time well spent, in my opinion. So that's it. Handful of trades. Just the point of this video is to show you these indicators. Really, they are good. Either one of these are good. The RSI is good as well. As you can see, the RSI did exactly the same. It got in earlier than my indicator, so all three of these told us this trade was ready to go. I'm not sure what the RSI did on that score there. Mine was below zero, gave me a trigger. Yep, we've got two flat bars there, then bang, we've got a bigger momentum bar, if you like, and then you should have got in after that new move down, as it were. And same with the CCI, that had turned red there as well, and that will stay that way, it never repaints. And the same with the MACD. So and I promise you guys, I know a trader that makes and he's proved this online, and I'll send you a link, or I'll give you a link, heads up to it sometime. He shows $70,000, probably 10, 12, 15 trades a day or more a day, and he puts up his account details, live account, and it is just crazy. He's a gold trader mainly, anyway, and he's happy to use this indicator. So if he can use it, guys, then I think that's good enough for me, and hopefully good enough for you. So there you go. Hopefully this video will upload, and you will get to see it this evening. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.